oba de so nyina no ma nyina nkwan ene ahoden sɛ de wakora ya boy ho ban ama nnam so ya sabe hiem na wotwe de di kan ya aseda ene de ma wotwe di anko ene de ya saba be hiem bi TV be na wo hwe yi de be meka to sɛ TV bi a agentre ha e wo wiase nyina ehwe ye nya bodam sɛ di a ba bi awu obia sɛ ye de na ye no obia enya bono nso ko bono motwe a TV bi a nya adwuma omo nyina so mu gyae no ma hwe de mejo wan eye ya na TV mu edikamfo program papa ahaye Kumawu TV na nkura bata ba ko e friend the spiritual hot seat ya hye Kumawu TV afidikasi ne mu abusua enanso ya ba besua de eye da de wo akwa ba so na afa ya ba wiase eye nipa nsa no adwuma ana obi na te ba bi no opra ne bibi ana iwa wofo ena bo madwene mu pose ya ba wo wonte awose ena onim kwan ya fa so enso wo na onim kwan ya fa so ma enipa beda nipa yam ene aba besua de pa mi amedi dwumade ho chia me medin Major Prophet Chaso Pokudako abusua ewiase nyina fra Major 1 sa na so fra me Major no ana ekro ne mo so ba me sunsun dwuma mu dia ba honhom ni nyina me ko mu nyina bom no mbetena me so dia ya from the great oracle 1 ba ko pe sunsun agya emfa ba bia ahaya na tumi ni gyina me da se pa ma me na me homra na me ba e be din komo me da se abusuafo enshanka obade yeso adom yebiwo yadam nyina se wada je ne abotra manya amaye enshanka obade ena meso yi wasom se ba oba wiase wa akra na menye sure se wadwene we hu da we obi a what free adolescent age no ba through adult age sabe we oba we bema utimi no oba hia ana utimi ne bema hia e wompem edi empa so agro ba wo misa asa eye dan no ni patimi nyinsan oba besi oye normal person na nipa ofro sa ada ne yem wudi meko wudi bibia wudi nchire wudi bibia akora na oda yem no emeko ebi nkonani na kwa ba so mpo na akora na oda yem ofa so odidi enti na message title no matunu din say sex is spirit. Sex is spirit. On say yani yokromu kasai. Me ko biam se me chemu local language obeka say akoyeokrasini papa. Wotiti we obedi matem se si ai. On say kind of sex no o kind of sex ni woni munyansa pa. Me say kwasi broni concept no me manu mu de metwam. Me ya bibini ya kasa sex Saba man oba ehiem ene ye friend edie watere mejon edie eye honhom maka ne twi wodi matem a emfame ho yesu ade edie ne die ya maka dwamansam ne we ba betre okwan afa so oba wiase abusuafo o person test eba 0549 Mama text message into akra kakra bia be de betu bia nemom o pese odwane na obekọ YouTube live YouTube ne Samdakus TV SAMDACKUS that is Samdakus TV YouTube sadi we edamufu afọ pese o re Facebook nso a eno ye Kumawu TV simple Kumawu TV unya boy anadem Sabake ho uko Google nso a Google no eye 2CTV eno nso ubenya Kumawu app no e wo so anase Kumawu TV no ubenya wo so na so ahwe ho oba de nhira oba de nya okese enche mebie phone line na tum enti sa oba be fra mesra wo ya adwum ofidie no se de be ya wo sound no e ma feedback e wo ha na bibia beto e kama me pa cho education mu ntie na mo fanya adwuma ma me e pa cho me da se ena ma fra odi hunani wa woni mo no ya kan wisdom a okuta wisdom nyansa ene nimde obo ade de adom no o se ne nananom adawroma ne nsa aka nimde ene nyansa oba be pro bi de agu ho Mr. Rabidol
Major
se se mpo minyi Mr. no kro mfro ana menya nana Rabidol ana menya se
nana
enti nana Rabidol
of course me nana
oh great nana akwaba
yeah Major
oh great and I said was here ko Sweden to me na papa anoye dey
Major on say anytime be I be case we discuss be concerning spirit you know we are already spirit until the time be a spirit sabi our spiritual well-being need to come out too. We also be already, you know. They say we are smiling, we are giving a lot of blessings and healings to people in their homes.
That's right.
Aside so we TV now, we see a conversation, you know, the kind of image you are watching, the kind of vibration, the frequencies, and the energies are here sending through our words, you know. I think it's so good enough. So I'm very prepared. My boy, my home, see me also. Some me ba me di san komo we said ye be boy. Ghana mine and Santa Mine chichi ni bench obi bi ore bia
oh ye do ba de ase enshanko ba de ase na wama ye nkwai te say nana wadaroma enne me pese study ade bi say na me bobo so ya sex is spirit edie eye honhom obi ka se die honhom a what does it mean ekwan ba so na edie sebe ajamia me kasa me kokana ma nto sebe ya obi tenchen a obeye me
na onipa bia onama asase iso no owo no ani program I design by the universe.
Okay.
And no, in modern day science, you know, omo di omo the friend God.
Okay.
Oh, I no no friend creative energy. So whenever a science man is talking about God, or onka the word God, or about the creative energy we are seeing, it's normal because the world is being run by energy.
Energy.
And this energy now, yeah, can was no. That made me, that makes you, that makes all vital things. Nti ade bia aye twedi ampo nyankopon sa no aya bobia aye nyankopon ne boy bia na e wo honhom na esan e move no because all things connect. Bibia wo asase we su bia it moves and connect. So the body ne move no. So the movie bibia movie. And no ma wo hu nyina no it wasn't there before. But it was moved or transferred from a certain position to the current position. And believe you me, things continue to move. So, opasa we example time oba panoma mi share you know. They all mienu nyina no a thought. Say me worry me one day I'm going to give birth and all that. But they don't really know who they are going to give birth with. One. Nipa kra na on about nyanshia no. Nyanshia no. So I dream be so be because a vibration within human system. Okay. Obi ori asibia and all the consciousness in the world no came through sex. So sex is very important. It's the most needed thing in the world. We as a universe nakasa here. Okay. Because according to ancient philosophies near the blessings in a one say yes in Yamena de Ebama. So Nyamena de Ebama, how do God give? But in our spiritual well-being, you know, we are controlled. Obi and I say use a certain club system. Obi say be a Muslimini. So this is the laws of a Muslim. Be a Muslim no betimi awo na wakoye karatu bi na wakoye bibi in their language. Na ko akire say ona ne wo ye wabeto akora ne di ona ne wo ho. Bibi a tradition in their club beliefs. If you into another any umbrella, they have a belief system. Hona ba ko ju bibia free. E hona ogidie na nyamede ma wa de ba ya na yi ni nyina na ma ogidie fufuro. But when we talk of sex is spiritual, we're talking of the first consciousness of the world. Okay. Yeah, can the first man or bear we are say. Na chi ko nyina no, sex and the bow. So imagine how many sex we are say can we even count? Never. Because each one of us a sex in a way. Whether it was 2 times, whether it was 1 minute, whether it was 2 minutes, that is the original process of humanity. That is the original process of the whole energy that you see. So without sex, all this energy will stop. And say if a man is engaged with a woman, na asoma mbeke spiritual. That is why we are saying it's a sex is spirit. No, so oba mane oba interaction bi na enye a person. It might be omushia or baby coincidentally they have a conversation, they get to know each other. All of a sudden, oba mane bedru fie no, wabo run the subconscious mu. Will go into the deeper realm of himself. That is the cells in the body. Also in the power body, there is cells. And our cells are not connected into a genes. You're from genetics. Okay. And they feed the mind. So the mind is always relaxed for information from this source. The cells will produce. Into Berman and Obani Shia. If you now what you go into to a spiritual world, the moment I will meet is our ban. That's right. I know banning commodie. Everything shows information in your body. Okay, be or recording be into the memory. That's what I make a near bow. Now, Sadia can all record into the memory when you sue any scientific tactics are 400 years old. But you sue the Abrahamic code na the Solomonic code na that's right. The ancient Kemetic code na whereby utimi hu obi na ohu no what the inner eye na sa hwedi pa no now the wakoma and then I follow that person, and all of a sudden you have that person in your hearts, in your minds. Inti or towards the sea or during that moment to share nipa no. After no started conclude this the past me see Michelle no. It would be nice to meet me and having an affair. So for instance, what share will be only nanka our young one. But all of a sudden, you having a certain feel. It leads to maybe a day of a marriage, and I say lead to, getting this person closer to you and making certain things work. Because in this world, male and female's energies, and they're running the world,
That's right.
But the most higher energy are running power, the female level, because the female is always on heat. It's in the heat, you may be attracted to a male to come for her. Okay. It's so amazing, but there's spiritual connection. That is why people meet people. On any panishia, on any incomobia, but all of a sudden, no men crash on each other. As some shine, all of a sudden, then they are smiling to each other. There are a certain chemistry that you don't even know certain, but only movie. But to me, all of a sudden,
that's right.
There is an a level of information exchange, or someone who the reason why I'm the meeting.
That's right.
And Shada said, going to sex physically, and a man here that spirit. No. For instance, having a courtship with a woman, wouldn't so bad way or bad that she be our bewareno, or bad that you over so in a woman. So you have a system of a courtship. Someone from home come home, more starving home for a certain level. According to spiritual codes, only about a high level of discipline and also rewarding you a more growth in spirit. Because a very tough. So a man will wake up, will want to urinate and see the bear massa or bar near the other bed on you to focus or behakoyo or no bar no benyasa intercourse no, but rather no bedroom so they will so band the woman is for him. That assurance of you believing and thinking that this woman is for you and only no endure forever and then sex today but sex tomorrow and sex in the future and a spiritual thing.
Wow.
Because what the imaginations or thoughts and that will connect you to the universe, try to understand a certain code between you and another person. Some of you know believe in that philosophy. Not to believe you mean say that sex aspect of the relationship but grow. There are times sex, but the moment more back of the mind, the conscious focus to marry. So we are sex it doesn't do anything wrong. Because nature, they are there to support Nyankopon and the angelic beings. To me, do a chia count, goodness and richness in here. Said a bear, no my bear kama. Said a bear will be prosperous, said a bear will be good, said a bear will be happy. And on a universal duty. And we are airborne, airport to serve a purpose. And we are the purpose that be a year, Juma. It is our we are the purpose now contract to satisfaction. One who on your money based on the words you ran your man. What was out to be shy, dear? None your offer. Not position, I do what's a different position. Now, if you had any offer. So, based on how you perceive it to be, how you see who no man to be, Sana Buno. Oh, person who's a Rabidol, my or bar, over to my shop style, and my or bar.
That's right.
So, person who's a mayor Bema, over to my shamia style, I go to a Bema. So, how you focus level your information of doing things here.
Okay.
Until Obi or a LGBT or a gay or a lesbian, or should I name it to a lesbian or a lesbian because these people are doing it in a spirit. We're attracted to something that on Shadakra and why.
Okay.
It's a TV program, a program on the TV. Obi a TV program no. You will go on a program with a very nice program and or you will also TV now who you know and or no to makachi ade no.
Okay.
A spirit and the vibration, everything came through sex. That's how sex in the mono. and yabenya sa jeans we ni sa moja we ni bibia and ya so powerful to the cold it mean me wo me no na me ya kra me ma benyini ma wo ma be adult me ba so be ba benyini obe wo no so ba be adult o ba be parent no so ba benyini that is the universe. Sex is 247 demanded. We are saying ya no munsuo pa but I can tell you point blank say ya sex scene bibia we are say is the most demanded thing in the world because that is the highest spirit, that is the highest order. Every time there is a woman passing through a teenage level or free menstruation money and they require second member eswa with the hello city and the way member city that is the chemistry of the world. Sana yena city what you say. But the problem we are having right now in the world is the kind of education we have about sex, you know, we have the bad notion, don't go there notion. The clauses of if you do it, you can get pregnant, and if you get pregnant, you might not take care of the children. Money baby, you won't go baby, but I'm papa no mama or more, or no one hour for. Never papa no mama they loved each other. They even didn't know how much they loved each other. But don't make it sexual intercourse. No? All of a sudden, ubo once, ubo twice, and then papa and mama, and then papa shia, or manyamono, and or buy. If you have a pan and mammy and timantra, best any panel. And on the one the biggest contribution to the society. Power of sex, that is spirituality. That is spirit. Because nature in himself, sa abofrana or mama wono, also about contributing to the universe. But also being a one baby assay. That's right. And we go through a spiritual conversation, a spiritual gathering, a spiritual meeting. It will ban the bema no be share baby. No what we say or koto mekobi odum. No we say say ono so ba beto bi nsuo bi wa around. But all of a sudden we share obi. But in komodie mu no ya within 10-20 years no. Or that's what no oni nipa na asori anopa. The spirit. And this is what the world is looking for. It's not somebody trying to be gay, cornering somebody. No what na. Na mo intimi amanda so mba kwa adopt you. Na dem adopted no. Of our kwanda so the buy. That is opposite spirit. Okay. It's right now, no, we'll be practicing gay, lesbianism, and you're taking away from the self-spiritual goals, the self-spiritual program. You have to different thing. Different, you know what I'm saying? Because Obia will be a true sex. Okay. And sex now, they will providing you with more questions and answers. It means that you are also capable to give birth and also capable to also be a parent, and one day be a grandfather, and be a great-great-grandfather.
Now, Rabidol, minya chance, share interview bi. Ghana ni bia, oye bema. Na, se wadano oba. Omo ayi ne bema no. Ani adano oba de.
Omo kind of for transgender.
Omo say transgender.
You're right.
Na ne voice ni nyina te so oba.
Yeah.
Na nim te bia na te so oba.
Yes.
Na interview ane bisa na say. Enti say be ma betimi afa wo. Aso be ma betimi afa me na mo je sai kakra. Wo hwe de wo si tie no a. Wo hwe na ne ye ni nyina aye oba lie. Na me person bisa say san krofo no a wo ye be ma so no atene ada no oba. Oba bi so ho a meka cho so hu no a otesa aponche na so odin o gina o se gireyin te se first na no mo boy football na wo number 9 bi na friend standing fan onya ka so bo number 9 a onya ko gina center na chiri ho a o ma na chibi o be so atra center line no a na se ya bo hwese mo ya kon onya sa de aboa standing fan nti o gina fa ko enti ye wo ni pebi wo ho a when you oba wotimi tene no adane bema enso the features na won no nyina che so oba ene o bema bi nso ho a wo tene no adane oba the features o nyina so che so bema eno no ya na efri awofo na ewo no o ma dwene mo de call sex no mo ene ma sa adane ba na say sa na universe ni produce o
Madam that's more powerful for this question. No cray woman is says so the kind. We are living in a society whereby your wo ba we are we give you a program. Makano ha pen say you catch us say your wo kwa no aye bone wo ho a ntro a fallacy. Your wo bone be na wo ho na like this is not idea or senke encourage but this is how the program have been. Your wo na na accuse you. It start soon when you were born. What I say, Anna, say, you know, my friend said, people read books. People believe in books more than even themselves. You can say every divine altar, every divine thing. I only pay.
That's right.
Oh, only pay no. Wakuma puno no. I wanna a Bible. You don't lie. Wakuma onim egos. Wakuma onim hatred. Okay. Why bring the feeding all those things into the heart?
Okay.
Into obi a wadane oba, obi a wadane be man is ankofoni nyina no. They have way or the other been sold out before. Ya neglecting omo in a certain level before. Bi o ha ni jinse woni mu kra na e bia ni hormones level no. O ya se be ma kakra. Instead of say be man encouragement, na why be ma mu no. E bia ye teatea no. Ya nkasa ye anchre no. But tell them di kan kan major. To be very honest and to be very real with you no. Say ya who sex say a spirit. Into be on any share be or carry a vibe. Into be a vibe enter into you are. The vibe is stored in your memory and it will forever be and it will never go because a bondage. Every sex be our happy is a bondage.
Because I say no baby.
So no be da.
Yeah, very important.
Yeah,
uno be da.
Yeah, uno be da. Na sabi munya sa endam hinta munidie na eye honhom mu me fan say honhom mu bondage bi honhom mu me fan say
aya de bia betra wo mu
aye ase aye baako en oni adini pa na be ye baako mo be honhom baako ye na betra mo be have a memorandum of understanding like entiasie bi of the two because when you are doing sex you are out of security, out of egos, out of pain.
Security in any
free security only bambo bia
because any sex only
bambo bia what jaw and imagination spirituality we rema with joy with infinity with timeless energy with vitality. Into baby you are so blessed to be there. Whenever you get into it, you have to be flourish, you have to flow.
And no say bema na adwen say men kan say akono ne ba na bema ne joke abete na ne jimi na ba. Won hwe say baby a me ginan ye betimi na say de before ye nim say de before nko use internet fa. Ye mfa internet na mo ye nua na mo de condemn obi. Obi timi shut down kwata ba bi akwa de oye de ma me ntwa no o ma ne hunu to odne kwa no out of security na America bi ato so ohiri bi a abaye bi dada no ohiri oti akonwa so nana you be ma twetwema mre no on ye video call na ohiri mu a oti akonwa na no refi so ono na ti akonwa so bu aten
spirit into the moment because every female be no the productivity level of bringing a man close is very high.
That's right.
Most of the time, the young one is no. Oh, Christopher Bible, more Isaiah 3 and Isaiah 4. I don't say a man in our say, a man in our address wayward. A man in a call back. I feel here. I'm a person with a small nika. Not even when you are actually. I feel here they are turning into a certain level that I feel here a Jew and some. And one here, you pay money for sex, and that is wrong. One here, obey you be actually because of cars, because of vanity. No, but they are not very committed. And tell arena so money. By arena so much in a crocodile, they don't Nikunu Grenwa, which you call Bema for because Nikunu near the right opposite man for him or for her. It's a partner scramble na be brawareno. And until most of the time, they are not able to continuously live in their marital life for progress. Because right. Now our because they were not compatible. No more disagree, sir. No more they are. And when you disagree to marry, a man be war more.
Disagreement
be because of beer or gay or lesbian or change into sex a or under a different program or free on one spiritual well-being under a certain philosophy. Just so be so or commerce. Or mass. I'll go water.
I was for ya da mo nyina ase quickly me nkoto de mra sisi ya na enkomo na ye de na me wi a mebisa asemba akona afi me bie phone line no ena me kwa ntentem pa me do adro adusa heba me pacho maami adusa me chia o maame na me chia papa adusa nso maami adusa se ono de o ya bedum Ghana Nyankopon ya dom Ghana ni mamienu be ma no oba ena ka o madwen bom ena etimi de produce maami adusa ne ku papa adusa na o mo nso ba ya no mo se no ya mawi ase kwa ya ba wi ase ba be contribute anasa se de universe ne pe no de enti o de ba wi ase ne yenye emfamu afoforo enti maami adusa ne ku adusa e san so mo ye compatible ya can say we mo ba can say compatible parents anasa
parents yeah me parents
okay e san so mo mienu akom ho abom na adwene ye adwuma o mo mienu adwene connected together enti wa pande ba na maame na som maame de ba na papa no so ayedai asom enti o mo se o mo de o mo wi asom ba ye o mo fa kwasi broni amamre anya adwuma ne mo mo de obo ade no mo na nanu amamre ene be ye adwuma enti maame adusa ne ni kura adusa ko mo abom o mo de enubra ne haban ene o de ye adwuma na eniema o mo ye no ho maame be ka kire opin wo ye bema na osisi mo ye kuro sisi kuro etimi kum bema etimi ma bema ho ode so ye de ete enti wo ri adabi ababa ko mahu na so ntimi enya ye yi mfrim obi won mu a oye bema ne hu so e bebre ti asam yo ne hu so two sabi wo ko ba ho na se ne hu sane no aso odwo so dabi enya sa na ese ye bema de wonya sa wonya kraman po ana prekokora ne hu ntimi masa dabi yare ne wom obi won so aye friend of low sperm count ne nkomo no etimi ma oba nyinsen ketuwa bi ti asam ni me pa to me kan for edusa heba e de amawo na edusa owo the capsules and owo the mixture ya no mo aduro ni mi enu nyina bom bia ma na ye exclusive hu no wonu ni mi enu nyina bom a ekuru na wo ho ahyew ekọ wo yo oba na wonti atenka facha me wo yo oba na wonti atenka me kan for edusa heba e de amawo na edusa ni nu na ye ni oba wonti atenka wonu mo aduro bi se wo mbosa wose agu be ma nya dresafo ha mu ana na kokoma bo so ho yuyi na awose bi ade agu wi de ni mbosa ba bi aturka na ese faka minu akoko president be se na ye faka mbosa de pia mo nko no to anu ahoro na dem kama onti yawo ompe na apentokwa ekuro na wo ho adusa me kan fona ma bo ma de mi wie ya manu mponsi wati me kan se bo ma de akoba bi a ya tonton herbal medicines be chabi bi dro ba bi ya ton bi no o kwa se me pedusa herbal me pa cho je mesa no na je capsules ni bi na num ni mi enu nyina bom se de be se direct o se no sa pepepe na me ka cho se acha kura 3 days wo bo say yes adro no ye adwuma me pa cho edusa wo so me macro kuma say Going filling station inside the one na edusa ewo me pa cho shita the whole Ghana na nadro so etrako ba bia me pa cho number ni 0500 110 115 0557 009 824 0557 009 825 edusa heba ena mabobo so edi achewe me do do GB1 Industries GB1 Industries nso ya abusuako bi omo de omo so omo dwuma bi omo de ba ya on say sankofo mu nyina ye contributors to the universe omo ye nkofo bi oba de ena share dado omo ba so omo mra babu nipa de nipa bi ntimi nya no eno na omo nso de omo aye de eye enti GB1 Industries omo ntimi ye niyama bi ehu ya se da na efe e da na so moye ena ma na ye fe ada bi on mo utimi se da na nke efe pa ba de we si boss no ama ada no so a obi anka no so mo amuna dan wo muna wasi ntwetwe ne bu ofu no ogira ho udi abronso muna enfra makase bi fa ebebu agu so dan na so moye na nkoyi menu aba ma me kanfo GB1 Industries dia ma GB1 ya busu ko mo do mo boda so all kinds of roofing sheet and chance apatre and chance ahodo bia se kokko tuntum fita de kala bia ope bia GB1 betime aproduce dia ma no mo ni ba bia so mo okro bia fa na kom akomo omo office road baby a custom barrier no on one GB1 Industries omo me pa cho bomo dia na contact omo na obi beka say mejo no me dey na metimi ehu omo me pa cho numbers ni na de bisa phone to kwai 0540 123212 and that's 0243 577 283 me pa cho GB1 Industries omo number e na me de atobia no Me do adu Bafan Herbal Center. Bafan Herbal Mixture, Bafan Herbal Capsules. Owura Bafan me patcho me che wo papa. Me nim so oba de adawroma. Ani ahohu a woni wo eye adwuma adawroma, wo ye. Bafan ye sunsum nipa. Me nua. Me ka papa we mu asam che wo nyini. Di so so me. Ensam a me ka nyina ade ya me ma so hwe wo. Me de me ni ade bi ye fake ho asam. Anasa me ni fake bia ho dance. Dabi me wi asam ba me be ka no kore. Aha. Enti Bafan ye sunsum nipa ono onam kwa ho. Anaso onam wura mu a. Onkwa akopedura. Eduru bitimi kasa kire so wura. Me nti na aba ye me patcho me ya me nie. Me yadura me sa malaria. Me yadura me sa ulcer. Me yadura me sa we se dua mpon ni dua bi si won na se etwi ho age gr Bafan te kasa no won wo tin dua ene haban kasa na wo pe we na apede edura tumi ti akire eno na onum ya pa hyew na yare na ko on ti ase da it works like magic. But Bafan ni nrei ewo the whole Ghana obroni ba ka to say nationwide baby obeko bia na eduru we so tra trashie enya dura eye local eye dura eye local and international. Me pacha obi a no no bi wa broche na ne honam ye ne ya o osa o yare bi a ye fra me yemukro me pacha Bafan adrei me ka fo de ma me pacha je numbers yi se bi a kwa kope bi nso atu a ubeti ne Bafan edi nkomo pa me pacha 0553 511501 0208 233 058 Bafan the number ena me de atu dwana bomode na kokope bi na ebeboa wo me pacha me do Gosway casket shop. Baby a tom for Daka, men can as I tell. And then a woman, a push say a chat to a brother can say, deaths are most rampant. As I now I may say, a war, a butcher ma, a war, a butcher ma. Say, who from Antamo baby will be a Mantamo be a say, a friend that to Gosway or Majuma. Baby a tom for Daka, oh, Pefundaka pa, here, or when it's me Fundaka beyond. Bra, obi oye ship mu adwuma. Owu a ye nye koko adaka ma no ye be ship. Obi o si dan, owu e be edan adaka de ama no. Wa mu na timi ye sa na ma we. Me patcho me kanfo sa abusuaku ya ma. Gosway casket shop. Ye kan casket a. Obi say casket de e na no me wa papo tomato na esi wo no. Me patcho nye tomato mo asem ye ken. E ye fundaka. Tumrika for the tire Roma here. Ye kan say for the year, Fanti Newtown, Kumasi ya, Fanti Newtown, a hot one on Moshe, Bra, mechanic paint no says, sir, my way, Gosway, that me be one of my Baba contact. Ebi a enum so no wuko. Kanya sa pa de kan nka ba mi fun da karama me. Me nche kura ba me ya 150 years ana me ko. Enti sa bra na enu o na so o da so te ase dia. E to di wa. Me pa cho Gosway mu wo services bi. Tie bi o mu funeral service. So person o ye yie, o betimi aboa wo. Wo pe loan e de aye wa yie, o betimi aboa wo. Ebi a wo funu bi awu. Enti o pe ambulance anansa card e funu na to mu a, me pa cho o mu ambulance e betimi aboa wo. O ma aboa mo pa. E na o pe video esimi so a wo TV mu a wo me kama yi. Me pa cho o mu obi. O betimi aba betwa e de ama wo. Ebi o pe camera obetimi de atwa efunu no picture obetimi ko ayi ase ne dia ne se oduru ha efunu da wa no ayi ne camera mu atwa ne ho fe aso wo sore we de ne funu anse kura oda no wo sore se de o se nwenwe ya de o sa wo nwenwe wo ne beba ho so no ne ye do akwakoto amrem me pa cho Gosway obetimi abo afom wo payment in cash so betua ne nyina anasa installment betua tua bie ne nyina obetimi abo wo afai abusia me pacho omo dili local and foreign casket kromla efundaka obetimi ayama wo eno mo approach efundaka ne nyina obetimi aye bia ma wo abusia wo mpero na apento kwa kona kokon me pacho mo okro bia e friend Kumasi Fanti Newtown ya omo labor roundabout asafo ya wo de wani kire mo te se de okoprempe assembly hall no a me pacho on mo na de bisa fon to kwa me pacho awmatro fon ni 0243 737 457 0266 194 678 0234 543 479 0279 315 870 Gospel Casket Shop and I'm there to anyway. I was your Major one aso ye Major sunsun nipa Major one e yesofo wo ye sunsun nipa wo ye odifo wo ye sunsun nyuma wo sa de habansa ye adwuma abusua ya katumi pa de a oba de adawoma wa dom Major pa so ye sofo na pe sunsun de edi sofo o pe ni de huna de o pe tumi de abo ho ban o pe tumi de sorry o pe tumi de atwe crowd adom pa brai maybe o suman bi anasa menka me say meka the local language sumai yaka sumai a obroni beka to say angel what na make on enti yaka angel na ma na nyonwa eni yaka sumai so ma na nyonwa locally your friend sumai ukọ obroni kro my friend angel yawo angel na say sumai a betimi aboa atwe dom more than 20,000 at the amount within the shortest possible time open na pen to kwa for ni chemo Major asoye Major ye adwuma papa enkrofo bebre di mirika fra abrocheba me pacho ma me phone number ma 0453 011 926 and answer 0272854387 when Major the numbers are ode edi dwuma me pacho me do kuma TV o pese oba spiritual hall city so a abusia akwanya ohoma numbers abeti odi aba spiritual hall city so and answer kuma TV na na adwetwe nkomo 0453 011 926 0272854387 and 0200 603-602. Me patron numbers abet me at the afraid me. Me babe kwa mesa bobo numbers yi asa de ato dwabi o. Say de be ya also bet me anya ye na na ye nkomo. Oba de Israel. Rabidol quickly no under 2 minutes. Edi na twi be ma. E ma ne ko ba. What the kai kasa ansem no. Edi na ba ya me a me to yi. E ba twi me say sister we di. Me nko pe no. Na se me kopanu mpa ekwan be so ana mefa metimi no oba na produce eba ye ka sex no kora ene de because obi ti ho wo hwe di oni mo ane sex enti se me pesa me ne oba wo ba ekwan be so menya ne den asa na metimi awo ba
Major me da se menche mo Facebook Rabidol TV o mo Facebook mo nyase Major onim say to be very very honest with you sex to me on na obia won motive oshia oba odishia no
okay
but one thing ye ka asisudua ne say so ye won kofo they are victims to sex ono obi die free ho no na brabo nsi ni ye bi
okay
obi betimi ne wa beda da na purpose na no da no nanka any merit ya enya valuable we don't just have sex sabi salam di kan and then no nipa the sex di agro the sex are fun the sex price no sex is priceless one will bet maka che say ye toba na ye toni say him fan ye tomba
ye ntomba
o baby a it's the moment a obehu obi a obe connected to you a obe dwene sex ho ne ade no it takes your higher consciousness to connect to that person but sabi manu da sumunam sadi ene masi dress e wo yen wi ase afa na nyina no ene say the social media esi ataba ni pa afa no dress code bi e koso wo music platforms no and then it's normal on the street so ana onipa bia o desires na because right now no you're programming 95% of the people the whole world though. It's a dependent baby.
I was your my phone line 0200-603-602. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Open the cassia. Met you out and a baby a casa free. Hello. Point me, Rabbi, young Koso. Maybe a phone line 0200-603-602. 0200-603-602. Me patch a good screen, I say. For money I heard that epic about Konani and Casa. Madame Mamedas.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Papa. Would you baby a casa free?
Hello.
Open would you baby a casa free?
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Hello. Hello. Me patch lower your TV set for me. O TV is a was so alone, and yes, I want to make Hello.
Hello.
Open the case, Odini baby a casa free.
Hello.
Me pato Odini baby a
Bajo Maju. Hello.
Open the Odini baby a casa free.
Hello. Bajo Maju.
Me pato me joso.
Bajo. Me kasepa.
Ah, me pato casa na me tiro.
Ah. Yo. Me kasefi asante be kwai.
Asante be kwai. Odini me pato.
Kasefi asante be kwai. Na to mi yan se so para sana oka no e no krepa na oka no.
Me da se.
Na ni se o ye se hu oba. Ni ni tumi bi e be mu a e be no a o sa oba no. Wani beji no mo se oba no pe no. Ampa so tumi ni bitima wo ma bibi agua wutu so e be ma bibi agua so sa oba no. Oba ya se ope no. No kran so bi aba ka bibi che na. Se wonu so se hu wo ma oba no tumi so wonu so hu a bi on sa straight ko na so bi abani musa because ma was straight zen ko nya ko bitima ka te be ma to pe wo nenso no nyame amone sa dia tam e ma no ma ko ni timi ye na wo be ma no so die ya na wo hu kwan se wutimi ka te oba se wo pe no nti wo a be ka te no sa straight e wo mu no ampa se bitima se onko ya ngo kwa oba se no sitie bia bi ko na mpa na ni gira so no wo ko no ma anka wo nse se obi tu da de be ma wo di ngumfa to oba no wo kwan ya oba so bitimi aka enti na mse space the said papa ni kan ntino na etimi aka wo ma tede nyame eye ade ni ntino etima ma ko ba nanim akwese ne pe duwe obi no bi na mse abefa wo ba de na nka won so ba wo ko yawo nenso wo ba ne wo ba nyame na ye ne sa ade no the spirit of be ma do wo mu no imma wo kwani mu ntimi mu ze ba na na wo kan e no ko ba wo nyame ase
wa gi mu do oba de israel me pa cho me da se pa all from so my class doctor na me mpane na aka ne sha it wa man tema won san ka de just next week oba so me for 0200603602 me pa oba so me for hello oh one time ajira hello open the case odini baby akasa free papa odini baby akasa free
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening papa.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, bra. Me pacho
Hello.
ni. Hello. Oh.
Hello.
Open the case
Hello.
baby akasa free.
Hello.
Me pacho ni baby akasa free. They say more yama program ko from you. Enya group phone segment say ana me bre. Hello me bro. Mo so ntua meka. Ma hwe am me phone line bi. Hello,
Good evening.
Good evening, papa.
I come to say na. Come to say.
Oh, ba dia da room ayo ho ye pa. Na wo so e.
Asema. Me kan ko ko fun ka to ko fodia.
Ko frimpon ko fodia, papa me da se.
But asamna papa ne kan ne ko pa ni hwia no.
Me da se.
Asemi hu obana ni pena me bran sana. Me saka no baleka me ne dewi a obeta me more than the way am ko me peno. That's no kan ne ko pa.
Oba de sha de bia wo pa wo bre ho bia. On saka cancel.
Make sure ba me bran sana me saka no baleka ne ne beda no. Aso obeta me ko se me peno.
Mo nyame sra. Ene ya yere ho boy, ma say o tebia no mo den. Hello. Eno so ya na ka ho. Hello. Be me bi wa say you turn bass no. O si kwa mu adwofo. De be me ni. Ye jama sisi a chinya den. We haban na didi fruit. So na ye ho adru edusa he ba mu nro yi. Oh. Na wo wiwi se nro bi. Na wiwi nua. Kama 0200603602. So bitter si na nunum bi. Na tadua no mo ya de na system no entinu ne se musia ana ya na ma de basa no. Oh. Enti tadua no mo de se de kofodo e ne ka ya. Oh beto. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Open the say odi baby akasa free.
Makini ko happy to be
Sorry.
the top me first not an old boy no.
First number, mo dey.
Are you there no?
Adusa number. Oh, okay.
Aha.
Yo, me patch up quickly. 0500. 0500. 0500.
Ah.
Me patch up me wia. Na go my number. No abomodi afra na me dey amount. Me patch up. Na twa penny. Oba dey sharp. Me patch up me ntimi fa phone line bi abi o. Ana se me ntimi fa phone call bi abi o. Oba dey sharp. Rabidol. Na me bi sa asem bi. Say ade bi o ha. Obi o wa ni na temu a. O hu se do ye wo jimi. Rabidol. Obi timi ko shi oba bi. Oba ntimi de ne do nyina ma no. Sabi okuta sika kura no ode ma ba emen. Ba ma timi oba di o say, oba ka boy say de mempe no. Unu oba ka boy. Oba woni to. Na ne to na sa me ma ko hye me kakra o say oba ka boy say de. Me po oba na shankus. No oba no o shankus. No oni kapre. Onu so on padwuma. Enkwasi atare enkwan so no o sa hye. Rabidol, wada roma. Sabe oba no o shankus. O de oba ne to mpemu a eto no hunu bio.
John said, no more women I said them D kind of program, any divine program from the universe and I'm from God.
Okay.
Because you cast a sexer, and one God.
Sexy in your
and one God. Because one creative sex is sex, but we don't mention these things too much because you're programming your number, no matter how can you say because dear two seminar, but say nkomo ye di critical thinking o say wo to boas na adwene ho and that say be be bia na ye ne hia all of a sudden ye ne compam nti amanfo nhwe who they deal with oh so woni nipa hia ye to ye boas ne ho nipa because sex no so wonya ya is recorded and it's forever more.
That's right.
And when sex no and then the most demanded thing universe na hwehwe nti so your meditations here what to do nyoma here you will meet a very good partner who will connive, everything will go very well with you. There will always be problems. Problems in a boy my grow. But sir, for sex. Now do the nyami bedi agrodi. Sex na no nyame. So obi no kodana sabi one day kra na otimenye mo na akofa asamaba.
Rabidol for number to bia na obi hia wa obi hia sa education obi otime educate.
Major obi betima frame 055 58 920 65 055 58 920 65. Yes, spiritual coach to be any problems be concerning spiritual marriage. Bibi ekoso bia na obetima frɛ na ye no abonko obi o ha o no obi kura koda ma onya problems up to now obi anipa no kɔ ne hwiye bi mu be nipa ne hunu na o frɛ ni bia na ɔkɔ no because of kwan bi anipa ne fa so no up to now ntimi nde ne ho saa de ne nyina na no ma bi anipa de ato nipa ne so ebetimi aboa na obetimi
oba de sha abusia me o me de dwumade ho chia me de major prophet asopoku da ko me pa cha wi ase nyina from major 1 na sunsumu a time so de edoso bebre more than uncountable enti ko mu nyina bo me ntimi bo bia di mako enjema ke enji gebre ho ahwa e ba sa kra me aka so be sa bodam enti me pa cha me sunsum pani ya mbre ya adwuma e fra no aka enje be na mama me chia wo o ye sunsum be na ye me say ti so wo me na se manya sika na me de me ho a aka enje be na I salute you mama e da se obi nti ase this oben akwa hunu di home me patron numbers abetimi di aba ko TV so ni obani na ofre on fa me number yi 0453 011 926 0272 854387 and now says 0200 603 602 sa numbers yi emu bia obefre bia patron betimi no di nkomo now so ba ababeke ho a Rabidol also Obi one
me chia obia or support Rabidol TV na kekene black GH na me chia angel be friend na Nabea na me chia na ya dubikite ene ne maame there is for ya juma me chia oba bi obia na me chia na wisdom o Judaland ene Rasbobo ene yenua no ma omoje na nanomudi.
That's right.
Na no monkonwa ya chia obia.
That's right. Oba de esham me pa cha me chia me crew members nyina me come mu nyina bom say omo ye tough omo ye champions Mr. Ochunozo I salute you master afei me chia me yere me sis me dwa esanse ye compact nti bibia ye bia efa kama me chia me manyina me last born true love akuya da ko a mama me chia wo me sister no me chia ne pa afei owura Samuel kwa brother ko Sam Dakus rapani I salute you I love you what nyame onshra no wale okese sister AJ Hipsy oba kase ba bia wo uni size me ama metro metawo ama wo me hunu oba na wo de osi di brown eno